Aardapple Soep. Dutch potato soup. A side dish from Netherlands. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Pare and cut each potato in 6 pieces. Step 2. Cook in salted water to cover until tender, do not drain. Step 3. Blend butter, flour, egg and milk. Add gradually to hot potato water. Step 4. Heat again until it's boiling, remove from heat, add vinegar. Step 5. Serve in soup plates containing chopped fried bacon. Step 6. Garnish with parsley. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.